Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Pre-market preparations, December 14th, 2023. How are you this morning? How are you this afternoon? How are you in general? Let me know that you hear me. Okay, you can hear me and you can see me. How's everybody doing? Hi, Diamonds Experts, Parties Games, Avian, thank you very much for joining. Who else do we have here? Leah, hello, Iran. Kozali, hello, long time no see. How is everybody doing? Where are you from in the world? Let me know. Let's chat a little bit. What are your future plans for 2024? Hey, Khofi, how are you? Great to have you with us. So, yesterday, how was yesterday for you? How was your portfolio yesterday? After yesterday, everybody's great traders, huh? Everybody are super traders after yesterday. Everything went up, everything went bonanza up. So we must feel good with ourselves. What is your best winner from yesterday? Hi, Rafael. Hi, Mark. I will, Kofi, I will. How's your portfolio from since yesterday? Bullish run. Bulls are here, but as you can see, this is the SPY 65 minutes. After this bullish candle, very nice candle. I want this candle for my birthday. I will be super happy. Basically, after this candle, as you can see, also extended hours, SPY is going nowhere. So we can take Fibonacci on the 65 minutes and we can say that 470.60 to the downside is the support. Long continuation above 472, 40 towards 477. Who else do we have with us? Say hi, don't be shy. Amir, hi. Samsung, hello, Faiz. Great to have you with us. Diamond Experts. I would like to ask, please, how to set up. Here's the setup. Easy. Take a screenshot. This is my setup. Levels based on log scale. Make sure also that your chart is based on log scale. By the way, how do you hear me so far? So basically, this is my Fibonacci retracement setup. All in plain sight. I don't hide anything. I want to help you become better traders any way I can. Because I know the road to become profitable trader is very hard. So let me help you. Thank you, Hofi. Hi, Ophir. Thank you very much for joining. Oh, Diamond Experts. These are Fibonacci setup. What else do you... Sparty Games. Hey, Damir, do you think that SoFi is still in a place to enter? Let's see. SoFi, not while here. Don't need SoFi here. I want SoFi over here. SoFi. Always look left. Where SoFi came from and where SoFi is now. Chasing? I don't think it's chasing. Look where SoFi came from. SoFi came from the 25 area. It's now at 9. It was 6.3. But if you saw previous videos and if you are remembering our Fibonacci-Traders Discord, and you follow me on Twitter, and you saw previous YouTube videos, and you saw the weekly top stocks to watch in the past 2-3 weeks, I've talked about SoFi many times. What did we say? We said SoFi have this massive downtrend line, and we have been waiting for this trend line to break up and above. And since it broke up and above, it's on the way up. So this is my 2 cents on SoFi. If you want to trade SoFi, as long as it's above 865, in my opinion, we're good to go. 930 is the next major resistance. First is the 618 Fibonacci retracement. Downtrend bounce 618. Also look left. This area, the 930 area, resistance, support, resistance. So by natural things of price action, 930 is the next major resistance. But overall, SoFi, you can also look on the weekly. You had a downtrend. You had a massive downtrend. Even if you go above the 930, even if you go above the 1030, let's say you wait for a break above the 1030 and then it continues towards the 1690. Still 60% to the upside. So SoFi, in my opinion, if you want to wait a little bit more, above 930 is a very good entry point. And of course, it's only my opinion. Always do your own due diligence. It's your money. Always take care of your money. Ladies and gentlemen, no one else will take care of your money except you. It's good to follow others to get ideas. But in the end of the day, if you need to ask someone on social media, including myself, what to do, where to buy, how to handle positions, please, I beg you, stop trading. I've been where you are now. Stop trading because you will burn up your account. You will burn up money. And no one wants to burn money. So stop trading. Get a proper education. Get a mentor. Get, I don't know, a course, anything. But before you do any of that, stop trading. Check the Fibonacci Academy playlist. I've posted a full playlist, 26 videos on how to become a better trader, on the technical side and on the psychology behind trading. I go over all the basics of technical analysis, how to use Fibonacci, how to use ATR, how to read chart, support, resistance, how to handle emotions. Check it out. Then, if you want to become successful, profitable trader and still keep your 9-to-5 job, it's perfectly fine. You can do it. Let me help you. Check the one-on-one live mentorship program, available in English and in Hebrew, or the online program. Basically, it's the same. It's pre-recorded, available in English, available in Hebrew. Both programs, I promise you, to give you all the support and all the guidance for lifetime until you will become a profitable trader, whether you want to be day trading, swing trading, you want to trade stocks, ETFs, futures, forex, cryptos. You only need one program. You don't need multiple programs to know how to trade. You need one program, and I am sure that the Fibonacci program is for you because it's from my own experience, and losing, from my own experience, and winning, from my own experience on how to manage emotions, how to manage risk, how to add to winning positions. I've been doing it for 7 years already. What else do we have? Thank you, Ronnie. You too. What else do we have? Let's see. LRCX. What about LRCX? LRCX good to go long as long as above 740. This area, 741 resistance. Let's see the weekly. Always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of view of price action. And as we can see, if we look left, we can see that all this area, the red line, tough resistance, long continuation above it, and we can take Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high. Next resistance, 767. No other indicator can give you the next support and resistance for price action. The only tools that can give you future price action, where price action might be heading next with the highest probability, it's trend lines and Fibonacci levels. That's it. Once you master Fibonacci and trend lines, together with, of course, multi-time frames, you are 80% on your way to become successful traders. Let me just adjust the camera. What else do we have? What do you think? What are the best pick from IWM? Well, I'm not sure how to answer this, Shlomi, because for long swings, I take names from SPY and Qs. Anything can happen. You have 2,000 names on the IWM. Why not just keep holding the IWM? IWM towards the 200, above it, we will see 211, and then 233, and then all-time highs. There are many, too much small caps on the IWM, and you have 2,000 stocks. It's really hard for me to answer what is the best pick. If I will know it, you will know it, you will know it, and we will be rich, right? No one knows what will happen in the future. All we have to do is follow price, use levels. What else do we have? CCL. It was on the top stocks to watch video, and here we are on its way to 2268. Looking good as long as it's holding the 1730 area. Next resistance 1950, above it 2268. What else do we have? Good. Please keep chat in English. This channel is English speaking channel. We have viewers from all around the world. So please keep it in English. Good. As you can see, in the past few days or so, the 1180 was a very tough resistance. Yesterday broke up and above. Now let's see continuation. We have a gap over here that needs to get filled, because we know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled. Then 1317 to the upside, above 1317, and then in my opinion 18 will be next. I will put an alert for myself over here. This is why I like to use TradingView, because TradingView allows you for many alerts, so you won't miss anything that might happen. Set alerts on your charts for entry or exits. What else? Shopify. Someone did not see my stock market review I post every day. Stock market review. Shopify heading to the, as you can see, pre-market. Once again, retesting this area, the 74.80, 75, very tough resistance. Above it, we are heading towards this upper red line. Just a reminder, each and every day, around 12 a.m. Eastern Time, which is around 6 or 7 a.m. Israel time, I post stock market review from previous day. I go over SPY, Qs, IWM, Dow Jones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, oil, gas, SOXX, and all the Magnificent Seven, including Tesla, including Netflix, including AMD, including Shopify, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and more. So please make sure you watch them. Hi, Iran. Have fun in Chiang Mai. Hi, Tamir. Nati, thank you very much for joining. Michael is asking for ICLN. Let's see ICLN. Yesterday, 4.3% to the upside. Very nice. Now, long continuation. I will also put alert over here because we can see, look left, we can see that all this area is a very, very tough resistance. And if you're a pattern trader, pattern seeker, you can clearly see left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But as you know me, and as you know Fibonacci traders, we don't follow patterns. Why? Because patterns are not reliable. Whether it's head and shoulders, cup and handle, flags, or all these kind of patterns, they're just not reliable. The only thing that is 100% reliable is price action, support resistance, and trend lines. And here you have this trend line. Now take this trend line. Where price might be heading next? Towards the 15 area is the next major resistance. If you don't want to guess, you don't need to guess. All you need to do is ask Fibonacci. Mr. Fibonacci, please let us know where is the next resistance above 1460. Fibonacci will tell you 1516 together with this orange trend line. This is all you need to know. So please check the links in the description below. What else do we have? Baba. We are back to the Chinese stocks. Baba, what do you see? Crushing until proven otherwise. Baba is at the 71. If you want to go short, Baba is a perfect candidate for short continuation towards the 57. But for long, I see nothing much on Baba. Look at the weekly. Maybe above 73, 65 above, maybe also above 74, 75 area, only above this area. Then you might start thinking about long in Baba. Until then, and here you have trend lines that helps you identify the way. And as long as the price of Baba is sliding down this orange trend line, the way is south. What else? So far we talked about Dormon, Nvidia. We talked about stock market recap. Nvidia, long continuation above 481 towards the 505. Above it, we are heading towards the 580. And once again, it's my opinion. Breaking above 505, we will see 580 and even 600 to the upside. What else? W for Mark. If you have any other questions not related only to chart requests, I will be very, very happy to answer any kind of questions. Any kind of questions, not only chart requests. W, long continuation above 60.40, and then we will see 67 and 77 to the upside. Very nice. You also have this trend line that's holding the higher lows. Now you can take this trend line, put it over here, and next resistance above 60, you will meet 67 with this upper trend line. What else do we have? Amirium, Netflix. By the way, yesterday we had, one second, I want to show you something. premium room. Let me know if you see this. I'm not sure that you see this. One second. Bear with me. Just 1 second. I want to show you something in the premium room. We took Netflix yesterday above the 467. Second. How do I do it? Okay. Now, here we are. Now you see it, right? Netflix. We took Netflix yesterday. We took Apple long. Then we took Netflix long yesterday. Half hour into the opening above 467.60. We had Nvidia. And these are some premium members also sharing ideas to go long, to go short. Netflix, as you can see. Apple. We trade also the futures. This is the premium room. Fibonacci Traders premium room. If you want to join, you are more than welcome. Check the links in the description below. And as you can see, we have many members that shares ideas. So this is Netflix. Now, Netflix is heading north towards the 485 together with this red line. What else do we have? Netflix is heading towards the 490 with this red line. What else do we have? You. Who asked for you? Ophir and Ewaldma. Ewaldma, this is you for you. At the upper border of this uptrend channel, continuation up and above, we will see 39.70 to the upside. Overall, you is in an uptrend channel, and as long as this is a perfect example of a good resistance. Yep, there is such a thing as a good resistance. This is a good resistance. Why? Because it shows us higher highs. You long until proven otherwise. What else? SoFi versus AFRM, I don't know. BB. Breaking above, heading north towards the 440. BB, very strong. It was on my watch list. And I missed it. It was on my top stocks to watch. Be careful. You have earnings coming up next week, so be careful. Overall, BB now, this area, the 414, all this area is the support. Next is the 440, above it, 476, and then 525. Moses, SoFi versus AFRM. SoFi, we have talked about. AFRM, so we talked about few minutes back. AFRM also looking good, long until proven otherwise. Next resistance is the 50.66. How do I know? Look left. Try to identify support and resistance from past price action, and then you will know where price might be heading next. Long continuation. 50.66 is the next resistance. Above it, you will see 70. Overall, AFRM, very nice uptrend until proven otherwise. Why did I move to China? Work, opportunity. I moved to China 12 years ago. It will be 12 years in the coming February of 2024. It will be 12 years since I moved to China with my wife. We moved there for job opportunity. After a few years, I spread my wings and found my own way. I opened a company for export, mainly to the US. And then I also started learning. It was around 7 years ago. I also started learning about the stock market. I didn't know what I want to do with the stock market. In Israel, I worked in trading rooms, in banks and stuff. So I was familiar with trading. I was familiar with the stock market, but I didn't know where I want to take it. So I started, as everybody, I started watching thousands and thousands of hours on YouTube, joined multiple Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups. Then I discovered Twitter. Then I discovered Discord. Then I discovered that I want to be a trader. Swing trader. I started as a swing trader. And once the market, during the pandemic, the COVID-19, I started day trading. Now I'm starting back over swing trading. So I day trade, I swing trade. So, and basically we are still in China. And now I'm on such a half-half vacation business in Thailand. Now in Kopangan until Saturday. Maybe I will extend my stay until Tuesday. This is financial freedom. Be your own boss. This is what trading is all about. Financial freedom. You don't need to be a millionaire. You don't need Rolexes. You don't need Lamborghinis. You don't need yachts. You need financial freedom to wake up in the morning and say, tomorrow I'm going vacation. Tomorrow I don't want to go to work. Tomorrow I want to take my daughters to the park and play with them all day. I want to go to watch a movie in the middle of the day with my wife. I want to go to eat outside. This is financial freedom. What else? Thank you, Tamirium. You are more than welcome to join. Check the links in the description below. You have the gold membership if you want. Samsung, is volume has any importance to you? No, I don't follow volume. I don't care about volume because everything follows volume. Sorry, everything follows price, including volume. Think about it. CVNA. CVNA, same as all the rest of yesterday. By the way, can you check if the super chat is working? Just check. If you see it, if it's working. CVNA now at upper border of this uptrend channel, breaking up and above, and CVNA will go to the 52 area and then 57 once again. CVNA looking really good. Also was on my watch list and I missed it. You cannot trade them all, you cannot be in them all. What's your opinion about? Thanks, Tamir. Do you think it's a good idea to start position in AFRM? I just talked about AFRM, Moses. Sage for Iran. Sage, nice. This looks nice. Above. Let's take it from here. Looks nice. Above 21.32, very tough resistance. Long above it towards the 22.30 and then 24 to the upside. By the way, Iran is one of our premium members. Yeah, Hofi. Financial freedom is to be your own boss. But it's a very, very difficult job. Very, very difficult. You need 100% patience, discipline, Sage above 24 is heading towards 33 gap. Thank you, Eran. Please make sure you share it in the group. No super chat. Okay. Thank you, Rama. You're awesome as well. Thank you very much for joining. Not working. Financial freedom doesn't mean working. I'm working very hard. I'm working during nights. You know, I trade and I live in China, now in Thailand. It's 12 hours ahead of New York time. I trade in the night. I work in the night. It's not working. This is the misconception about trading. You cannot become financial freedom by working 1, 2, or 3 hours a day. No. In the beginning, in my first 2 years in my trading journey, I spent around 15, 16 hours a day learning, looking at charts, trying to figure out what are my rules, what is the best strategy for me on the technical side and on the mental side. Even till today, I'm working around another 2, 3 hours outside the trading hours, looking at charts, going over past trades, what went well, what went wrong. It's working. It's a very difficult working. Snap. Bullish. Entering the void. As you can see, you have a void, a gap. And in my opinion, as long as Snap is above the 1570, Snap is heading towards this gap over here. Nice. Amazon, is it a good entry today? Once again, if you need to ask someone on social media, and it doesn't matter if it's me or someone else, please stop trading. Please do yourself a favor, do your money a favor. Stop trading. You cannot trade if you need to ask someone on social media if it's good entry or not. I'm not telling you this because I'm a bad guy or a mean person. I'm telling you this from a good point because I want to protect you. I want you to protect your money. Amazon long above, in my opinion, above 150 and then towards 156.34. If you don't know how to trade, take trading as a job. You need a lawyer, you go to a lawyer. You don't go to court by yourself. You don't defend yourself. You don't write contracts by yourself. You go to a lawyer, right? Same goes as trading. You cannot do it by yourself because you lack the proper education. If you want to become a lawyer, you need to go and learn. If you want to become a doctor, you need to go and learn. If you want to be an accountant, a teacher, English teacher, gym teacher, if you want to become, I don't know, a pilot, a constructor, an architect, any job in the world that you want to succeed in, you need to go and learn. Same goes for trading. You need the proper education. So I hope I made myself very, very clear. I say it only to protect you, ladies and gentlemen. Stop following those Instagram or I don't know, YouTube or any other furus that tells you that only by trading 1-2 hours a day you will become financial freedom, you will have all the money in the world. No, do not believe in it. It's a dream that will become a nightmare. I know it. I've been there. I'm trying to help you avoid the pitfalls and the rough road that I went through. What else do we have? Thank you, Iran. I can't give you a super chat. It's okay, Noam. I'm still waiting for the next call. Last call between us was very, very enjoyable. Thank you, Iran. Avian, yeah, this is my opinion. I only share my opinion, but I also give my opinion on other stuff. I know some opinions, some of you don't like to hear. Most people wants to hear only the good side, only the good stuff. But this is not why we are here. We are here to hear everything, the good and the bad. If you have the commitment, I will help you to become a profitable trader, but you need to be committed to the process. Thank you, Kozali. Thoughts about VNO? VNO for Iran will be the last request for today. Still thinking if tomorrow we should go live or not. Let me know. What do you think? Tomorrow, Friday, should we do live pre-market preparation? Yes or no? Yes or no? By the way, did you hit the like, subscribe? Did you share this channel with your friends? Will be much appreciated. This is the only thing that I ask. Like, subscribe, bring friends. We're having fun, aren't we? VNO. Nice. Nice, 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 Iran. Next is the 30 to 30. Alert. What about PLTR? Waldma, can you show us how you check stocks from A to Z? Yeah, you're more than welcome to check. Every week, every weekend, I have my top stocks to watch. In those videos, I show the process. I even made a special video how to find A+ setups in the Fibonacci Academy playlist. So make sure you hit the notification bell for every weekend top stocks to watch and go to the Fibonacci Academy playlist. How to find A+ setups. What else? PLTR. By the way, Ran, thank you very much. I will put it on my watch list. This is what I love about these lives. You also help me. You also help me find great setups. This is why I love these lives. Thank you, Aaron. PLTR, PLTR, PLTR. PLTR. This is the support. Below it, we are heading towards this gap over here. You want to go long? Wait for a weekly close above 1835. As you can see, I have an alert to go short. Now I also have alert to go long. Always prepare for both sides. So, once again, thank you very much for joining this live. I hope you found it helpful, educational. If you did, share with friends. If you did not, keep it to yourself. Just joking. Until the next live, until the next video, please stay safe.